There's at least 2 babies in here.
An important step is also...
This is the worst nest placement I've seen. Ducks, what's going on? So things are looking up. Not a cult ranch, definitely not a cult ranch. This is very cool. We're so happy to have our own wheels again. Thank God we had good neighbors who let us borrow their trucks. We would have had to go to town and stay in town for a couple months had we not had an amazing community surrounding us. So we could go anywhere in this bad baby. You guys keeping these eggs together? Yeah, you can do whatever you want. It's been a bird heavy week. It's been a bird week. Hey, my friend, please. I'll give you so many snuggies. Would you like shiny things? Get you shiny things. So this bird is a Say's Phoebe. 2 of these birds built a nest in our half-constructed shed. We didn't notice until there was already eggs. So there's been a pause in construction because we don't want to break the law. The Migratory Bird Act says it's illegal to move or destroy an active nest of a native migratory bird. So the nest will be considered inactive once the young birds have fledged or nesting season has ended. I don't think we can wait for the end of nesting season because we've got to finish this shed before the next monsoon season. Well, let's use our phone on a stick to do a little investigation to see if those phoebes are grown yet. Whoop! Wow. Phone on a stick, also known as a tripod. Oh my goodness. Just look here. Oh. Huh. Huh. Well. Alright, let's rewind the footage. Get out of the way. These birds are really cool because they actually hunt insects, and I want to encourage any little living thing that wants to eat flies and grasshoppers around us. They're doing us a huge favor, but they are pooping on all of our tools inside that shed, so I do want them to be close, but outside of the shed, please.
Today what we're doing is working in our little garden, and what we want to do is put up a hummingbird feeder and a regular bird feeder. And the reason that we want to go and do that is to encourage birds to be here, encourage pollination, and also go and handle pest control. Sure, you can go and put out things to detract it or try to kill it, or you can encourage its predators to be there. What we don't want is a whole bunch of nasty little bugs and stuff like that. So we're going to go and encourage birds to be here because they'll help get rid of the bug population. It just sort of hurts my elbow. These augers are great up to a certain point. You're still going to need a post hole digger and desert dirt, and if they hit rocks, they'll toss you around. Like, this hurts my elbows pretty bad when it...
Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
So what we're going to do is called a dry pour. And a dry pour means that we're not mixing the concrete first. So if you look where the arrow is on the bag, that's where you always open it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour water in the hole first. Then I'm going to put the stick in. I'm going to add the concrete around it. And then the concrete will fall into the water and it'll mix itself.
Easy breezy.
We'll put some water in there. Our stick in there. I'll just say I might be making a potion and definitely not a cult wrench. An important step is also
make the hummingbird feeder mixture. The internet says the perfect mix is 1 part sugar, 4 parts water. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we turn it up. And now we boil it on the solar. Beautiful. Oh, nice. So we're actually chicken and duck sitting for a neighbor right now. It's pretty fun. I kind of want birds. I don't know. These guys are so cute. It's a lot of fun. I've also got to get 2 of these baby roosters, young roosters I guess, into the other rooster pen. They are proving very wily and very difficult. Hopefully I get them. So this mama and her baby had to be moved out of this little nursery pen because this other mama hatched a bunch of her eggs. So they got to go into the nursery pen. Hello, baby. Beep, 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 beep. Look it, we've got babies. They're all still doing good. I'm about to give them their chicken kibble. Are you serious, dude? Hey. Why are you so mean? I give you water and food. I even give you good, high quality worms. That's how you treat me? You too. You too, pants. Look at this guy. Well, I got the 2 juvenile roosters over here, and the 2 older roosters have gone to bed about it. Hopefully, y'all have a good night. Everything's chilling good. I'm sorry for harassing you. I'm sorry I moved you. I hope you forgive me and you don't hold it against me. Alright, good night everybody. Oh, that was so hard. No, I did not capture the chicken wrangling on camera because it's too embarrassing being outsmarted by a bunch of birds. That was rough. Alright, I'm done. I'm getting out of here. Goodbye. Uh-oh, how do we get out? Buster. We're trapped. Go get Duchess. Buster, go help me. Oh no, it's locked.